This origami showcases a sophisticated origami mountain range crafted from a single square piece of paper. Although it has a clean and simple appearance that resembles a children's model, this piece is designed for adults as it demands high precision and accurate folding techniques. It features three distinct mountains layered to create depth. The tallest mountain stands in the back with a detailed snow-capped peak, while the lower mountains overlap gracefully in the front.